I'm Lukasz owner of LucasK9. Dogs was my passion for many years, and I traveled and watched the system of training over the world. I tried to understand dogs' breeding, different brood lines, the brain stadium in the young ages, how they grow from the puppy to adult dog. Best friend and a great tool for police work. It became to be a business in 2006. Every day we try to learn something to have better dogs and train them better. We invest time and money to have better healthy dogs, from the way of feeding them, training, x-raying, medical records. We design new dog's kennel system to make it more comfortable for the dog so they can rest better. For many years I select thousands police and military working dogs over the world. I have dogs everywhere, in Philippines, in Iraq, Afghanistan, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, China, in America, South America, North America. People I sell dogs to, usually I know more than 10 years.
My name is Jason Ferguson. I am the training director at Highland K-9 Training in North Carolina. Been training dogs for over 25 years. Known Lukasz for over 10 years now. We always get really good dogs from Lukasz. We can count on reliability of the dogs. The overall health of the dogs is always great, and the dogs do the work that we need. Lukasz has always come through when we need him. He knows what dogs that we're looking for. He's over the years learned our business, and he always provides that for us, and he gets us the dogs we need, and he gets us the dogs we need when we need them.
Hello there, my name is Bill Foss. I've been working with police canines since 1974. I met Lukasz about 12 years ago. He has adapted some of the training to fit what we do over here in the United States with police dogs, and I am very, very pleased with LucasK9.
I'm Mike McHenry with FM K-9 in Elkhart, Indiana. We've purchased our dogs from LucasK9 for over 5 years or more, and we've always received quality service, quality canine, and an easy person to work with that stands behind his word, his work, and his quality. And I'm proud to do business with him.
Hello, my name is Mike Morgan. I'm the owner of Mid-Michigan Kennels in Lansing, Michigan in the United States. And I've been buying dogs from Lukasz for my police canine program for about the last 12 years. Lukasz has always shown me a high level of integrity and honesty since I've been dealing with him, and I don't buy dogs from any other vendors now since I've met him. His quality of the canines and the amount of effort he puts into making sure I get healthy and high drive dogs has been phenomenal. I highly recommend you do business with LucasK9 if you have the opportunity.
We drive across European countries to meet best breeders and select best working dogs. Sometimes it takes weeks and weeks of traveling to find good dogs. Over these years, I made strong relations with breeders and working dog trainers. I try to understand dog trainers' needs. I enjoy working with dogs, and it is a better life for me. I live on the property where are the dogs to maintain them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If some dogs are barking in a kennel, I know which exactly it is from the sound of barking. I live to breed dogs every day. My goal is to stay in a long-term good relation with the trainers that have our dogs to make sure they create best canine teams as it is possible.